In this video, I am going to talk about the top 3 best Shopify landing page builders. I've personally tried almost every Shopify page editor, and these 3 are the best ones at this moment. Of course, I am not ranking these page builders, as all 3 page builders have their own set of unique features and functionalities. So, let's not waste any time and get started. The first page builder on our list is the eComposer page builder. eComposer is making a lot of buzz recently, and it's for a good reason. This is one of the most advanced landing page builders for Shopify. Out of all 3 page builders, eComposer offers most advanced customization options. You can literally create any type of Shopify store with eComposer. eComposer has over 4,000 reviews on Shopify App Store, with an average rating of 4.9, which basically proves my point. To start using eComposer, all you need to do is install it from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, you can simply browse through the template library. Take your time exploring because there's so much variety. Once you find the perfect fit, simply click to customize. Change the colors, fonts, and layouts to match your branding. eComposer offers a built-in tutorial and live chat support, so you're never stuck. You will get 300 plus templates, from basic to advanced, which you can customize based on your needs. eComposer also offers presets, which makes the editing much easier. With eComposer, creating a professional landing page that converts has never been this effortless. Whether you're launching a new product, running a holiday sale, or promoting a special event, this tool can help you craft the perfect page in minutes. With the paid plans of eComposer, you'll get a lot of extensions that can help you create a high-converting store page, which basically results in higher engagement, better conversions, and a store that stands out from the competition. One big downside of eComposer is that it is not completely beginner-friendly. You might have to play around with all the features and settings to get used to it. But once you understand how to use it, you'll be able to create your dream designs with it. The free plan of eComposer allows you to create 10 pages, but you'll only be able to publish 1 page or section on your site. The paid plan starts from $19 and go up to $99 per month. With that note, let's move on to the next page builder. Next up is Pagefly, a highly versatile landing page builder that's perfect for Shopify store owners who are looking for an easy-to-use tool and want more control over the design process. With its advanced features and extensive customization options, Pagefly is a favorite among those who love to experiment and optimize their pages. Pagefly has nearly 12,000 reviews on the Shopify App Store, with an average rating of 4.9, which confirms its effectiveness. But that's not the crazy part. The cool thing is that, at the time of making this video, Pagefly has well over 200,000 active users. Pagefly stands out for its sheer flexibility. It offers over 100 plus customizable templates designed for a wide range of industries and purposes. Whether you need a product showcase, a promotional landing page, or a high-converting checkout page, Pagefly has you covered. What's great is that you can edit every element on these templates, down to the smallest detail. To get started with Pagefly, install it from the Shopify App Store and open the editor. Choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your needs. Once inside the editor, use the drag and drop feature to add your preferred elements. Want to go further? Pagefly also lets you create custom sections that you can save and reuse across multiple pages. For those new to Pagefly, there's no need to worry. It comes with a comprehensive knowledge base and tutorials to guide you through the process. And if you ever get stuck, their responsive support team is just a message away. The free plan of Pagefly allows you to publish 1 page or section. For more pages, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Pagefly offers a pay-as-you-go plan, where you can choose how many pages or slots you need, and you'll be charged accordingly. They also have a $99 per month plan, which offers unlimited slots. With that note, let's talk about the last page builder. Last but not least, we have Gem Pages, a landing page builder that's perfect for beginners and small business owners looking for simplicity without sacrificing functionality. To be honest, this is my personal favorite page builder. I use it for my clients' stores. Gem Pages strikes the ideal balance between ease of use and powerful design options, making it a favorite for Shopify store owners who want great results without a steep learning curve. The first thing you'll notice about Gem Pages is its beginner-friendly interface. From the moment you open the app, it guides you step by step, ensuring you always know what to do next. This makes it especially great for those who are new to Shopify or creating landing pages in general. Gem Pages offers a library of pre-made templates that are both beautiful and conversion-focused. These templates cater to a variety of use cases, including product launches, lead generation, and promotional campaigns. Out of all 3 page builders, Gem Pages offers the best converting page templates. The drag-and-drop editor is where Gem Pages really shines. While it's simple enough for a beginner to use, it also provides plenty of customization options for more advanced users. You can tweak layouts, add interactive elements like countdown timers and videos, and even integrate with Shopify apps like email marketing tools. To begin with, Gem Pages, simply install it from the Shopify App Store and open the editor. Choose a template that fits your goal, whether it's promoting a new product or running a flash sale, and start customizing. The editor offers helpful tooltips and guidance, so you won't feel lost even if it's your first time designing a landing page. For additional support, Gem Pages provides a knowledge base, tutorials, and live chat support. Their team is quick to assist, ensuring that you get the most out of the platform. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use tool that delivers professional results, Gem Pages is a fantastic choice. It empowers you to build pages that not only look amazing, but also drive real results. Whether you're running a one-person shop or managing a growing business, Gem Pages offers the perfect blend of simplicity and functionality. Gem Pages also has an AI website builder, which can literally copy any website with the help of AI. You only need to paste the website link here, and then Gem Pages would clone the design with the help of AI. Gem Pages has also introduced a sales funnel feature, which can basically convert your entire Shopify store into a money-making machine. If you look at the feature, you might think that this is the best Shopify page builder. However, it has some downsides too. For example, sometimes the templates are not mobile optimized, sometimes the editor takes too much time to load. And there are some common issues I've faced in the past. But if we ignore these common tech errors, Gem Pages is a perfect page builder. The pricing starts from $29, and it goes up to $199 per month. Every plan comes up with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no risk for you. And there you have it. The top 3 Shopify landing page builders that can take your store to the next level: eComposer, Pagefly, and Gem Pages. Each of these tools has unique strengths, so whether you're looking for simplicity, advanced design options, or seamless integrations, there's a perfect fit for you. The free plan only allows you to publish 1 page, which is good if you are looking for a single product store. But for more pages, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Remember, a well-designed landing page is more than just a pretty design. It's a powerful tool to boost engagement, conversions, and sales. With these builders, you can create pages that not only look professional, but also deliver results. If you're ready to dive deeper, we've created detailed tutorials for each of these builders, walking you through everything you need to know. You'll find the links to these tutorials in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.